Hi, I make custom spreads for my Patreon members, and I'm going to show you all the spreads I made for them in July. I have a bunch in this bin, so let's go. First up, we're going to look at Team Bumble spreads, and Team Bumble is my highest tier. They get a custom spread every month, so they can choose whatever they want and tell me what to make. So let me show you all the ones I made for them. So first we have a spread for Megan. Megan uses a classic happy planner. She said do whatever you want. So this is the spread I made for Megan, and I used Archer and Olive stickers. By the way, if you hear a bunch of water in the background, I'm running the dishwasher. It couldn't be avoided. And so I have to film and run the dishwasher. I'm moving in a couple of days, so things are chaotic. So I hope you can hear me okay. Anyway, I used Archer and Olive stickers for this one. I call it Beachy Keen. You see what I did there? And I think it's so cute and fun for August. Just a bunch of pink and blue and pops of yellow, some lobsters, some narwhals. These stickers are so cute. I also used Planningwithbumble washi tape, and it's this bright little pop of washi. I taped some of the boxes to the page, even though they're stickers. Every month on my Patreon, when I make these spreads, I have some sort of theme that combines them all together. This month, I made a gratitude list for everyone in every spread. So here's Megan's gratitude list with some little bullet points. And I like this one. I hope she does too. By the way, I'm not going to have time to link everything I used in the description like I have been doing. So if you get inspiration from one of the spreads, I would love it if you would click the general link in my description. So I'll have links for all the brands that I use. So that would be really helpful. This one is for Gianna. Gianna said also do whatever you want. And I decided to do a faith spread for Gianna because Gianna is a faith planner and I haven't done one of those in a while for her. I used the sticker book Faith Mood, which is the newest Happy Planner Faith sticker book, and I really love how this turned out. It feels very gentle, soothing. I love the colors here. I think it just flows. I call it a week of praise. Also, I have my Invisalign in, so if I'm lisping, that's why. Like I said, chaos. This one is for Alex. Alex asked for a back to school spread. I love this one. This is actually a video. I don't know if you've seen that or if I'm posting it after this. I'm not sure. But anyway, this was or will be a video. I call it Back to School Blast, which I'm sure I've used that title before, but I couldn't think of anything. I just realized I did not give Alex her gratitude list this week. Oh my gosh, wait. I gotta write it in here. Okay, Alex, that's where you're going to write your gratitude. Anyway, I really like this one. I think it turned out super fun. And I did not write the sticker books I used, but you can go watch that video and it'll tell you all the sticker books. This was Here We Go Again. These ones, that's a newer one. And then I think I used a couple of other ones as well. But yeah, check out that video. Cindy asked for a Squad Girl spread. I love this so much. I combined the new Squad Girl sticker books with the old Squad Girl sticker books, and I just think it's so fun. Lots of stickers on here, obviously. It's very, very stickery, but I think it works, and it just feels like a nice, fun summer spread. So I called it Squad Girl Summer. Okay, that's it for Team Bumble. Let's check out Team Wallace spreads now. We'll start with Classic Vertical. So this one I used the Garden Flowers sticker book. This is for Ellen. And I also used boxes, I think, from Kellofaplan. This is a strange one for me, but I really like it. Like, it's definitely different, but I kind of put flower stickers around this Choose Joy sticker, and I love how that looks. I think it's just very different. I also put all the lines up here, took some of the boxes way off the page, so definitely a different look. I hope Ellen likes it. It's just a change from what I usually do. I also used some washi tape in those little boxes. Wait, did I not name this one? I didn't name this one. What on earth? Okay. Let's name it. What? Really? Let's name it The Joy of Flowers. All right. Next is a spread for Gretchen. I used the Live Love Posh Chic Summer sticker book for this, along with some Planything washi and another washi I got from the washi tape shop. I really like this. It's just sort of, I don't know, there's something about pastels. Like, I love pastels in my planner and pastels in general, so this really appeals to me. I call it Pastel Escape. I like the washi lines I did. I decided not to add lines and instead to add a couple of little to-do lists throughout. Here's Gretchen's gratitude list, so I hope she likes it. I love that one. Another pastel spread. This one is for Ellen. I have 2 Ellens on my Patreon, by the way. I used Live Love Posh Plant Babe for most of these stickers, and then I also used some boxes from Kellofaplan Pastel Basics, and made a little box cluster, couple little box clusters here, threw in some fun, you know, pastel plants and washi tape and all that kind of fun stuff. So I think this is really cute. I call it Pastel Petals. Taking it back to an old school sticker book, Color Story 2. This one's for Shirley. I always loved this theme in that sticker book. If you've been around a while, you will remember these, but if not, aren't they pretty? Just a really cool color combo. It's very romantic. Oh, I call it Romantic Plans, yeah. And this is Shirley's gratitude list. I call it her wonderful list. I thought that was kind of cute. And just again, some Planything washi tape. Planything has a bunch of grid washi that's like this size, and I think it's perfect in some situations. So I think this is really pretty. Now I'm making it a little bit brighter up in here with a spread for Bev. I know Bev likes bright colors a lot, so I gave her a really fun sunshiny sort of watermelon summery spread. This one is called Watermelon Sun. Definitely different, like we have a different vibe here with the clusters going on and some blank boxes, but I think it's interesting and just something new. I drew some little emphasis lines on some of these, and there's Bev's gratitude list. She also always asks for a space for her meals for the week, so I put that there, and I really like it. I used A Year of Memories. That's a happy memory keeping sticker book. I used the Wrong Rainbow sticker book and Bright Basics by Kellofaplan. The watermelons and cherries and stuff came from that happy memory keeping sticker book. That's an oldie but a goodie. Speaking of oldies but goodies, here is a spread for Kelly. I think this is so fun. I didn't write this down, but I believe I used happy memory keeping floral memories for this one. This is so fun. I just have always loved these flowers, and I've always loved the flamingos, so I decided to make another flamingo flower spread for Kelly. And I used some boxes from Kellofaplan, put a little stitching in the boxes for her, some confetti, and then here's her gratitude list. I just think this is really fun and summery, right? I think it's cute. I call it Flamingo Party. Why not? All right, let's move on to the classic dashboard spreads now. I have a few of those. This one is for Bobby, and I used stickers from 𝘮𝘰𝘮𝘪𝘢, A Year of Planning Volume 2, I think, and I love this one. It's just, I love the 𝘮𝘰𝘮𝘪𝘢 stickers. They're so fun. If I forget to link 𝘮𝘰𝘮𝘪𝘢, it's 𝘮𝘰𝘮𝘪𝑢𝑥.com. But I'll try, and Lux is with an E at the end, but I will try to remember to link that one because I don't think that's in my list of links. But anyway, super cute. Here's her gratitude list, and it's just a very summery, fun spread. A week at the beach, I call it. This one is for Donna. I used the Mega All the Essentials sticker book for this one. I call it Dinosaur Sweets. And when I made this spread, I think this was a Patreon exclusive video. When I made this spread, I thought that I would like use that theme in that sticker book. And I thought it was a dinosaur theme, but really there was only one dinosaur sticker. So yeah, so that was a little weird that I thought it was a dinosaur theme. But I like the dinosaur. He's cute. He's a cutie. I didn't name him. Do we name dinosaurs here? I don't know. I think I'm going to name him, though. If I put it here, you guys are going to say the dinosaur is pooping. I'm going to write underneath. You guys have said that before. Wait. There's a flower in her hair. It could be a female, or it could be a male with a flower in his hair. So how about Bailey? That could be a boy or girl, right? Bailey. All right. Again with the Planny thing, grid washi tape. But I hope Donna likes it. I like this one. The next one, I'm going retro. I used the Decade 70s sticker book from the Happy Planner, that brand new one. This one is for Shannon. It's like, I call it colorful retro because it's super retro, right? We've got like the wavy rainbows and disco ball and stuff like that. So I think this one's really fun and groovy. I don't know. I just like it. I hope Shannon likes it too. Okay, let's move on to the Big Happy Planner spreads. This one's for Denise. I used the Live Love Posh Beach Babe sticker book for most of these stickers. I think these stickers are so fun with like these black Polaroids. And so I decided to use these first, and then I brought in Pop of Black with this fun washi. The boxes are from the Wrong Rainbow Boxes sticker book. I think they're so fun because I added like the little lines on them. I think that's really fun. I also added sort of movement lines around the Polaroids, and I call it Beach Brights. This is for Laura. I used the new Color Story Floral sticker book. I had given her, I think, something a little more bright last month, and I tried to alternate it. So I decided to go a little more subdued, a little more pastel, and sort of gentle, right? So I call it Soft and Subtle. It is like a wellness-oriented sort of spread. I put a bunch of quotes in, a bunch of flowers, some vertical washi tape. And then there's Laura's gratitude list over in the sidebar. This next one's sort of fun. This one is for Marisol. I used the new Super Happy sticker book for her, and I love this part. So I cut up some of those washi tape strips and I made it like emphasizing look on the bright side, and I sort of like the difference between these two pages. This one's sort of traditional. This one has like this really fun middle part. And I know it takes up a lot of the writing, but I think it still is okay. She's got a couple boxes here on Friday. Definitely has space on Saturday if she writes small. So I think, you know, sometimes I like to make a punch and hope that they're okay with it. Here's Marisol's Happy List. It says yay. And I just realized I did not name this one. Let's call it Yay, It's Summer. Marisol is pregnant, and I know she needed an encouraging kind of spread, so I think this one fits the bill. And the last one here is for Ashley. I used the Live Love Posh Chic Summer sticker book and Posh Summer, which I think were two summer sticker books from last year, and I call it Island Vibes. I think this is really fun. I struggled with this one a little bit because I started with the florals and I wanted to add in some other fun stuff, but I just struggled color-wise with this, especially with the boxes and everything, but I think it turned out good. I like a lot of the purples in here that sort of brings out the purples in the florals. There's a corgi on this spread named Jules. I don't know why, but there she is. And yeah, I guess, here's Ashley's really long gratitude list there. So that's it for all the spreads. Let's vote now. You gotta vote. If you don't vote, I'm gonna know. No, actually, I will not know if you don't vote, but I love it when people vote for the spreads that they like the best. I just like to know. Okay, so first up we have Island Vibes, Yay, It's Summer, Soft and Subtle, Beach Brights. Oh, and by the way, if you use code BUMBLE10, you can get 10% off Live Love Posh. I know that I used a lot of her stickers this time, so I just thought I'd let you know that. Also, Bumble10 gets you 10% off at Planything. Bumble10 gets you 10% off at a lot of places, so you can always try that. Colorful Retro, Dinosaur Sweets, A Week at the Beach, Flamingo Party, Watermelon Sun, Romantic Plans, Pastel Petals, Pastel Escape, The Joy of Flowers, Beachy Keen, Squad Girl Summer, Back to School Blast, and A Week of Praise. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know which are your favorites, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.